Visiting https://www.kerastase feels like stepping into a world of true luxury hair care tailored perfectly for Indian hair types and concerns. It's the official online destination for this iconic French brand, and honestly, it lives up to every bit of the hype. From the moment you land on the sleek, elegant homepage, you're greeted with a clean, professional design that's super easy to navigate, whether you're hunting for solutions to stubborn hair fall, frizz that refuses to tame in humid weather, or that perfect shine for color-treated locks. I absolutely love how they've organized everything by specific hair concerns. Sections for damaged hair, dry hair, wavy/coily textures, thinning strands, dandruff-prone scalps, and even aging hair make it effortless to find what you need without feeling overwhelmed. The hair quiz is a brilliant touch. In just a couple of minutes, it analyzes your routine and preferences to recommend a personalized regimen, which gave me spot-on suggestions that actually worked wonders. Shopping here is seamless with clear product descriptions, detailed ingredient highlights, like Amonexil in the Genesis line or Manuka Honey in Curl Manifesto, beautiful high-res images, and real customer reviews right on the pages. Many glowing ones for bestsellers like the Genesis Anti-Hair Fall Scalp Serum, which noticeably reduced my shedding and boosted baby hair growth, and the Elixir All-Time Oil-In Serum, delivering that insane 2x shinier, silkier finish without any greasiness. The sustainability angle is impressive too. Refillable shampoos and serums in recycled plastic bottles show they're thinking about the environment while keeping the luxury vibe intact. Prices are premium, as expected for salon-grade quality, but the visible results, luxurious textures, heavenly scents, and long-lasting bottles make it feel worth every rupee. Plus, occasional exclusive offers, free shipping thresholds, and the assurance of genuine products direct from the authorized distributor add extra peace of mind. If you're serious about transforming your hair from stressed and lackluster to salon-fresh, strong, and radiant, this site is hands down the best place to start your Kerastase journey in India. Highly recommended for anyone ready to invest in hair that looks and feels expensive.